When it comes to saved views, saved views is not only applicable to 3D models, although we do use it a lot on the 3D side. But I'm going to show you now that if you've got saved views, even if it's a 2D plan, you can take your saved views to a new drawing as well. Because for some reason you have to copy your model to a new drawing. And on the support side, then we normally assist you under view. We go to component manager so you can take your sheets across. So now I'm going to show you how to take your saved views across from one drawing to another. So the command that we're going to use is under view and in a subcolumn saved views. Now as you can see, there's no saved views yet. So let's create a few. So the first one is going to be, let's say, north elevation. So I'm going to click on the gear because I can take this existing angle now and it's going to save it as a view. So I'm going to say NE for north elevation and I'm going to say save. I'm going to say close, and then I would like to create a view from, say, the section. So I'm going to click on the gear and we call this one section. And I'm going to say save. And I say close. And then I would also like to get one from a site plan. Now, as you may notice, the site plan is rotated 90 degrees, but I can also rotate my saved view. So in other words, I'm going to rotate my UCS and then I'm going to save it. So I double click on the UCS icon, M for more, and I'm going to ask Caddie, rotate UCS in current plane. My rotation angle is going to be 90 degrees, and I'm going to say from object, because I'm going to use this line as a reference. So I'm going to say from object, indicate the line. So now Caddie or the UCS is set to face my drawing from this angle. Now I'm facing it from the right hand side, but I would like to save this view. So I'm going to click on the gear, and I'm going to call this one 90 site plan. So I'm going to say save, and I'm going to say close. So as you can see, I've created now 3 saved views. I'm going to save the drawing. So I'm going to say file save. I'm going to zoom out, W for world, T for top, and now I'm going to select everything because now I want to copy it to a new drawing. So either use Control A, or I can select it, right click, we go down to clipboard, copy to clipboard. Caddie will ask me to indicate the handle point, but I'm going to use D for drawing origin. That means 0, 0, 0. So I press D for drawing origin. We're going to a new drawing, right click, paste from clipboard. Once again, D for drawing origin. So my reference point is 0, 0, 0. Press escape, F4 for zoom extends. And as you can see, on my new drawing, my save views is 0 at the moment. So now I'm going to show you how to import it by just clicking on the gear. And on the right hand side, you will see the enhancement that says import. So I'm going to click on import, and Caddie will ask us drawing to import from. I'm going to browse to the file that we've just saved. I'm going to say open. Caddie picks up those saved views. So I'm going to import all 3 of them. I'm going to say import. I'm going to say close. So now they will be in the list. So let's go to the section. And as you can see, it takes me to that saved view. Let's go to the north elevation. And let's go to the rotated 90 degrees site plan.